Hello everybody, welcome to Crafty Ames Workshop, and look what I've got today. By request, I was asked to work in my composition notebook, which of course I love to do. So if you want to see previous videos of what I've done in here, I'll link it to the video. So what I'm going to do today is just work on this blank 2 pages here. I don't know if I have enough stuff for it, but that's okay. I can come back to it later. But what I did find at Dollar Tree, my favorite flower is roses. So what I found was some tissue paper that had roses all over it. So I think what I'm going to do is paste this down and go from there. So I was going to use this glue stick, but I think for this part of it I'm going to use my Mod Podge, but I'm going to use the matte Mod Podge instead of the gloss. I like to save the gloss for the stuff that I use on the top. So soft brush. Here we go. So I just have kept a little hole in there and I just dip my brushes in there. And I'm just going to go all over. Actually, I probably need to put a thing there. Okay. Here we go. I'm just going to lather it on there. No rhyme or reason. Just get it on there. I don't want it to dry. And I've got a fan over my head, so this probably will dry pretty quickly. So we'll put the one side on first. All I'm going to do is drop it and then smooth it. No biggie. Okay. And I'll go ahead and put glue on this side. Oh, hold on. What I need. Okay, I've got to put something here to protect that side. Okay, now we're going to slather this on. Okay, I need to make this hole bigger. There we go. Slather it on. You don't need to be conservative about it, just do it. Just get it on there. Okay, done. And I'm just going to make sure that goes into the middle crease there. And then I'm going to lay it down. That way the page can open easily. And if I've got wrinkles in there, I don't care. It's just part of the page. Okay. So now what I'm going to do, and I'm not going to wait for it to dry, I'm just going to go for it. I am going to rip. I'm going to hold where I want it to stay, and then let the other part hang. So I do have that ripped look, which is what I'm going for. just taking it, holding it where the paper ends, and then ripping. And it's pretty easy right now because it's wet. I think if it were dry, it might or might not be harder. I'm not sure. I just know it's wet right now and it feels like it's just coming off like butter. Okay, and if you take too much off, don't worry about it. You'll probably cover it up with a picture or something. Or you'll find a way to cover that up. Do what you want. You could also use a ruler to hold it down with, but I don't feel like getting it out. Okay, so there's that. Look how pretty that is. And actually you can still see the lining, so if you guys were wanting to still do some journaling, you could still do that. It's not a big deal. Okay, so there's that. And then, I don't know if these would look good on me because that would be an awful lot of flowers. Yeah, probably too much. Guys, I just found something to go in this and I'm so excited. This is a card I got for my husband and for Valentine's Day, and it's one of those that you can open up. So what I'm thinking about doing is pasting it down. Let me see if I can do this. Let me see. It would have to be, I can either glue one side down and just leave it like that loose, or I could put it, oh wait a minute, that ain't gonna work right there. Does that work? No. How am I gonna get this to work? There we go. Oh, I love that. It's like a pop-up book. I love that. Okay, we're gonna do that. We are gonna do that. So, make sure I've got it where it needs to be. And I don't know if I should use Mod Podge or I'm thinking, because I need something to hold it down really good, I might need to use the hot glue gun. I think I will do that. Let me get that warmed up. Alright guys, my glue gun is ready. I've got it on a low setting. And I'm just going to glue the back of this. Hopefully I'm not gluing where I shouldn't be gluing. We will find out soon. I'm going to lay it down. Everything looks good. Okay. Now, let's see if this can be done. Gotta get it in the right spot. Oh, we can do that. Oh, good. Okay. So just kind of measure when you're doing this if you're going to be doing something like this. just kind of measure. You know what? I'm going to use a pencil or something. Let's see, what do I got? What do I got? Because I have to move it. Okay, just kind of mark it where it needs to go. And then get my glue gun again. Oh, I need more glue. Come on, glue gun. By the way, everybody, I just wanted to tell you, I went to Ollie's today. I don't know if anybody has Ollie's where they live, but I went there today. You know, oh, never mind. I can't tell you that yet. That's for another video. Never mind. Okay, so we're going to go to my line that I made. Make sure it's straight. That barely moved. Hopefully I have it in the right spot. Oh shoot. Sorry guys. Let's see if it'll shut. It does. Yay! Look at that. Get closer so you can see. So that's just a card that I had, that I saved because I really loved it. And I knew I would do something with it eventually. So there we go. Like it. Okay. Now what am I going to do? Let's see. Let me think for a minute. So I've got that up against the pearls. And then I'm going to do another line right here. And I'm going to do that on both sides. So let me come back and I'll show you what it looks like. All right, everybody. Let me scooch this back so you can see. I am in love with this. I'm sorry. I'm using my phone right now, so look at that. Oh, I really like that. That looks good. Use up your old stuff, guys. That's what I'm doing. Trying to get rid of stuff. I love that. And I got to reuse a card that otherwise probably would have been thrown in the trash can. Look at that. I love it. So, I mean, if you guys don't want the message on there, you could cover that up with something, maybe a nice big heart or something like that. But I'm going to leave it. And plus, I have my little message to my husband right there. I like it. So tell me, you guys, what you think. I hope you like this. I may come back later and do more with it, but right now, I think this is good the way it is. If you guys are working on your composition notebook, let me know. I want to know what you guys are doing in yours. If you're using trash or if you're using nice stuff, you know, whatever. Let's have a conversation. All right. If you guys want to see more videos like this, or you have a request for me to do something, that would be perfect because I have a ton of ideas, but to actually do them, and think that you guys are going to want to watch it is another thing. So if you guys have something you'd like to see, let me know and I will do my best to make that happen. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, share, and I would love to hear from you. Thank you guys. Have a great day and I will see you in the next video. Bye.